Hello and welcome to Coresite's VA3 facility in Reston, Virginia. Coresite has a rich tradition of operational excellence in Reston, where we have been operating for over 12 years with an unparalleled track record of uptime and performance, serving over 300 customers including all major clouds, fiber networks, systems integrators, governmental agencies, and a vast variety of enterprises. With over 50 megawatts and approximately 500,000 square feet at full build, VA3 is the latest addition to Coresite's Northern Virginia campus, comprised of 3 data centers in Reston, Virginia, and 2 in Washington, D.C. With Coresite being the largest data center operator in Fairfax County, our VA3 customers benefit from a rich ecosystem of networks, cloud on-ramps, and solution partners, constituting one of the 2 major interconnection hubs in Northern Virginia. Our VA3 building is staffed 24/7 by members of the on-site security and operations team, all of whom are employees of Coresite. The front lobby entrance features double man-traps for ease of access, with badge readers and fingerprint biometric scanners required to enter the facility, as well as CCTV cameras, which are also located throughout the interior and exterior of the building. Coresite successfully meets the requirements for several compliances and certifications, including SOC 1 Type 2, SOC 2 Type 2, PCI DSS, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and NIST 800-53. Additionally, we participate in the Virginia Sales Tax Exemption Program through the Virginia Economic Development Partnership. Please make sure to ask your sales rep for more information about this and our full list of certifications. The VA3 loading dock is capable of accepting 2 full-size semi-trucks unloading simultaneously. A large trash compactor is provided for customer use after equipment is unboxed. All packages are received by Coresite personnel and then logged within the mycoresite.com customer portal along with tracking information, and an email is sent to the recipient to notify them that their package has been received. Packages are then placed in short-term secure storage until picked up by the customer. At full build, we will have 2 large freight elevators, each capable of carrying up to 10,000 pounds of equipment up to the 2nd floor for access to a future computer room. The loading dock area will be manned by our operations team during regular business hours and after hours at your request. Our online customer portal allows you to access your account remotely to place orders for new services, including remote hands, new cross connections, power adds, and build-out related services such as PDUs, cabinets, fiber trays, structured cabling, and more. Additionally, you can submit trouble tickets, grant or restrict physical access to your cage or cabinet, monitor your power consumption, view environmental data such as temperature and humidity within your cage space, print your invoices, view Coresite's compliance reports, view your contracts, and control who in your company has access to each section of your account. For example, you may turn on access to your invoices for your accounts payable team while restricting their ability to place new orders. Your account is managed by your company's account administrator, who controls access to each person on your team. As a customer, you will have the ability to do this and more by visiting mycoresite.com. Down this hallway on the left, we have our chiller plant. We are supported at this facility by 12 1,500-ton magnetic-bearing Daikin chillers configured at N+2 and 12 1,500-ton Marley cooling towers also configured at N+2. In addition, we will have 4 4,500-ton plate and frame heat exchangers utilizing free cooling. The site also houses a 260,000-gallon city water harvesting tank and a 120,000-gallon cistern that collects rainwater to support backup cooling. All chiller controls are fed from 2 independent UPS-backed sources, and their emergency generator-backed pumps will restart within 30 seconds upon loss of utility. These are just a few highlights of the robust mechanical infrastructure that supports you and all of our customers. Here we go into computer room OG01, which is a 35,000 square foot data center space that has been designed to support up to 6 megawatts of total IT draw. This computer room was built with a 36-inch raised floor and 5-foot overhead return air plenum. Cabinets are placed in rows with all equipment facing interior cold aisles, and cooling is supported by Cray units placed on the perimeter of the room for maximum allowance of cabinet space and underfloor airflow. All of our cages are custom designed per your specifications and built within 4 weeks of contract signature. Customizations may include the type of cage material, ladder racks, fiber trays, cabinets, and cage door security deployed. Your dedicated sales engineer will work with you to determine the best design to complement your specific requirements. Our on-site data center operation team is staffed 24/7 and is responsible for the implementation of your cage build, as well as all ongoing maintenance of our electrical and mechanical systems, and responding to all customer remote hands requests. In addition to full-size cages, Coresite also offers pre-deployed standalone cabinets here at VA3. Coresite's remote hand service provides customers access to a team of highly trained in-house operations technicians that are available to you 24/7. We've made it easy for our customers to submit requests for remote hand services through Coresite's online customer portal at mycoresite.com, where you can navigate to the order services and support page to submit a request. Through this feature, we offer the resources required to help install, operate, and manage a data center deployment, supporting a multitude of international and off-site customers with helpful, on-demand hands and eyes services. Types of remote hand services include racking and stacking equipment, cabling and wiring, cross-connect termination, shipping and receiving activities such as inventorying and labeling boxes and equipment, and unpacking and packing equipment to prepare for shipment, on-site visual verification for troubleshooting, basic device management such as plugging in cables, verifying device status, and swapping modular equipment, advanced circuit migrations, circuit testing and diagnostics, inventory auditing and labeling, and much more. Each computer room features its own dedicated intermediate distribution frame, or IDF, which provides customers with access to the main distribution frame, also known as the MDF. The MDF, similar to a Meet Me room, serves as the main connection hub for customers to gain access to various on-site carriers and cloud providers. There are 2 MDFs in the VA3 building, allowing for true diversity of your fiber interconnections. Coresite makes it easy to integrate your existing architecture with private and public cloud platforms delivered through native cloud on-ramps in Virginia. When you co-locate within Coresite's secure data centers, you gain access to a marketplace of over 775 leading network, cloud, and IT service providers. Whether you need to connect to a large public cloud like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Oracle Cloud, and Alibaba Cloud, or require a specialty provider for private cloud, software as a service, security, or other needs, Coresite can connect you to the right solution. These cloud service providers are all natively deployed within Coresite's Reston, Virginia campus. That means you get to take advantage of low latency, secure, performance-driven, cost-effective cloud solutions. You may choose to access AWS Direct Connect with a simple fiber cross-connection, or access one or several cloud providers through Coresite's Open Cloud Exchange. Established in 2013, the Coresite Open Cloud Exchange is one of the first exchange platforms of its kind, built to virtually unite enterprises, networks, and cloud service providers. Power to this facility is provided by Dominion Power's Herndon substation. The UPS topology backing up this computer room is a 4-to-make-3 distributed redundant system. Each system is also backed up by a maintenance bypass UPS, which allows for UPS-provided power when a UPS goes offline or is isolated for maintenance. The double conversion UPS system supports a 6-minute battery runtime when at 100% load. The generator plant is designed in an N+2 ring bus configuration. When 1 or 2 generators go down, the critical load is not affected. At full build, we'll have 28 3-megawatt Cummins generators feeding this ring. Each generator is fed from 2 40,000-gallon underground storage tanks, and full build out of this site will include 8 40,000-gallon tanks. The fuel is pumped via diverse fuel pumps from the underground storage tanks to the 220-gallon day tanks mounted on each generator. In addition to our fully built-out computer rooms, Coresite is able to offer large chunks of shell space that may be custom designed specifically for your needs. If you're interested in taking advantage of this offering, please talk with your sales rep about current availability. Here at VA3, we have staging rooms available for you to use to unbox and test your equipment before moving it into your dedicated cage space. Staging rooms are approximately 180 square feet and may be reserved for 30 days while you move in. Each staging room has its own electrical outlet installed and ready to be used for testing your equipment. Moving back toward the front of the building, there are multiple office spaces, each around 100 square feet, that have been pre-built and are ready for move-in. Customizable office space is also available. Ask your sales rep if you'd like to design something especially for you and your team. Offices are located in close proximity to the tech lounge, front lobby, main entrance, restrooms, and mailroom. The on-site tech lounge has several workstations available, a great view of the building infrastructure tower, which houses our UPSs, switchgear, and chiller plant, and a kitchenette where you can make coffee and store any refrigerated items. 2 customer conference rooms open up to one large space when the accordion door is opened. These rooms can be reserved for you and your team for meetings and events at no cost to you, and we look forward to hosting you here soon. That concludes our tour. Thanks for taking a look at our VA3 data center here in Reston, Virginia. We look forward to meeting you in person.